Imagine, you're standing in the middle of a vast forest. Your phone has no signal. Your battery is dead. There's no GPS. No Google Maps. No road signs. How would you find your way home? For thousands of years, this wasn't a survival challenge. It was everyday life. Hi, I'm Ethan Carter. Today, let's travel back to a time when humans crossed continents, without maps, without satellites, and without a single digital screen. So, how did they never lose their way? The answer begins by looking up. Long before humans trusted technology, they trusted the sky. Every night, the stars became their compass. One star was especially important. The North Star. Unlike most stars, it seemed almost perfectly still. Travelers, sailors, and explorers used it to find north. Even in complete darkness, the sky showed them the way home. But what happened during the day? People learned to watch the sun. They noticed where it rose, where it set. The changing shadows helped them understand direction. Nature itself became their first map. Then, there were the landmarks. A giant mountain. A winding river. An ancient oak tree. A strange-shaped rock. Generations passed these landmarks from parent to child. Entire journeys were remembered as stories. Walk until you reach the Twin Hills. Turn left at the river. Follow the valley. There were no street names. Only memories. Some people became experts at reading the land itself. They studied the shape of hills, the direction of rivers, the color of the soil. Even the way trees leaned could reveal the direction of the strongest winds. To them, the earth was speaking. And they knew how to listen. In the deserts, travelers followed the endless dunes. By day, they watched the sun. By night, the stars. Across the oceans, ancient sailors did something even more remarkable. They memorized the movement of stars, the direction of waves, the flight of birds, even the color of the water. Long before modern navigation, some cultures could cross thousands of miles of open ocean without ever seeing land. It seems impossible. Yet they did it. Again and again. Then came the compass. For the first time, people carried direction in the palm of their hand. Journeys became safer. Trade expanded. Exploration reached places never imagined before. Centuries later, paper maps improved. Road signs appeared. Then, cars. Highways. Satellites. And finally, GPS. Today, most of us can't imagine driving without directions. Sometimes, we don't even remember the names of the streets we travel every day. We've become experts at following maps, but beginners at remembering the world around us. Perhaps our ancestors didn't have better technology, but they had something many of us are slowly losing: observation, patience, and an incredible ability to understand nature. Maybe the greatest lesson isn't how they traveled. It's how carefully they paid attention to the world. Because sometimes, the best guide isn't a voice coming from your phone. It's learning to truly see what's already around you. If this journey through history made you look at the world a little differently, share it with someone who loves history, adventure, and discovery. And don't forget to subscribe to GS Untold Lives. Because every path, every invention, and every forgotten story helps us understand the incredible journey of humanity.